We sell lots of different commercials, all different ages, all different price ranges. And this vehicle is a Ford Ranger Wildtrak 3.2, 2020. Now, for us to retail this, it has to be nice enough. It has to be of our standard, and this is a good example. It's got lovely LED strip lights. It's got the bonnet protector. It's got a mountain-top lockable roll cover. It's got a tow bar. It's got window deflectors as well, so it looks really, really nice. Full documented service history, 48,000 miles, priced plus VAT, VAT qualifying, but it just looks nice, especially in sea grey. With it being a Wildtrak, you've got all the different insets, but you have got these lovely lights at the front here, which just make it look that little bit more unique. Tyres, it's got all-terrain tyres on again with the diamond cut wheels. You can see on here, so it's a 3.2 6-speed auto. You've got your mud flaps, deflectors on there, roof rails. And then as we move around the rear, big tow bar, lockable mountain top. That's an expensive option, £1,500. And then you've got your double cab that drops down. But it's not, you can see here, you know, how it's been looked after, because sometimes this sections of a double cab, especially on something like this, which is a 2020, they've been used. So it's in really, really good order. Big tow bar, park sensors, and it's got a reverse camera as well. Moving on inside, you've then got all your Wildtrak features. So you get that orange stitching which goes throughout. So you've got your automatic gearbox. You can see the stitching throughout the display, steering wheel. And you can see the condition of the leather and everything inside. Now if I just start this car, and I'll just show you some features. So, multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control, navigation, Bluetooth, digital climate control, reversing camera. You've got your different drive modes from your you can have it in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. Front and rear heated screens. It's, you know, it's everything you'd pretty much want. Automatic lights, automatic wipers. 2 keys, all the keys with it, but it's a good value commercial pickup. That's what I think about it. Claim the VAT back. Looks nice, it's got nice extras on it, it's all been looked after and serviced properly, so it represents really, really good value. In the back, I'll just show you in here again, give you an indication of how it's been looked after. There's no big tears in the leather or anything, it's just a nice example. Right extras, the tow bar, the mountain top cover, the lights at the front, the right features, and everything we get like this, which is priced around about this price range, it sells. It's going live on the website. The number's on the bottom of the screen. You can give me a call. Thank you for watching.